Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe with Clearview Media. Back with another tutorial. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get your video inside of text in Premiere Pro. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're in Premiere Pro. So you have your clips on this side. Basically all you want to do is find the clip that you want to put in text, and you want to drag that into the timeline. So how I do it is once I get my clip into the timeline, I want to make a text layer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this text, and I'm going to just click that. And obviously you can make your text say whatever you want, but for the sake of this skyline, the Philly skyline I got right there, I'm going to type Philly. All right. So once you have that, you can pretty much choose any font you want. You want to go ahead and highlight that and go to the effects tabs. And right there, you'll see the icon for your text. You just drop that down. And yeah, you can just choose any font that you want. So I'm gonna stick with the sample. And then you want to just scale that up just to make that a little bigger. You'll probably want to scale it up again once you add all the effects, but for now you just want to scale it up just so you can actually see what it is that you're doing. And that looks good. So another thing is you want to drag this top text layer along the whole video clip, and you definitely want to make sure your text layer is on top. All right, so once you have your text, you want to come down to your video and you want to go to effects, and you want to look up something called track matte key. It should pop up as soon as you type in track. You want to click that. You want to drag that on top of your video layer, just like that. And once that's on your video layer, you're going to go up to your effects controls, and you're going to find that track matte key effect, and you're going to look for something that says matte, and that has a drop down menu. Now basically what you want to do right here, it has video 3, you have video 2. You want to find that layer that your text is on. In my case, it's on video 2 above my video layer in video 1. So you want to put the effect on video 2. And once you do that, you can see that your video is now inside of your text. And like I said earlier, you might want to come back and just scale this text up a little bit just so people can actually see, you know, what's going on inside that text. Yep, and just make sure you want to center that like that. And yeah guys, that's pretty much all you got to do to get your videos inside your text. And we can play that back and I'll show you how that looks. So this is effect good for music videos, maybe an intro you want to do, a wedding, if you want to do an introduction to like a wedding or a live event. This effect is good for a lot of different type of videos. So if you like this video, make sure you drop me a like. If you're a new videographer looking for tips and tricks on how to shoot better music videos, or just trying to find some new tips and tricks for Adobe Premiere as far as your editing, definitely subscribe to my channel. I drop content daily. So I'm out, and I will see you guys on the next video.